Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a beautiful Isomac espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced a water pump and we also calibrate the steam pressure. It was a little bit too hot, and this is the water pump that we replaced on the machine. We also back flushed this machine. It was very dirty. It took me a while to completely clean the E61 group head. And yeah, that's all we did. We just replaced the water pump and recalibrated pressure of the boiler itself, and as you can see it's hitting at 1.1, having excellent pressure in steam and in hot water. Perfect. So now that we have our cup heat up and ready to make a shot, we're gonna do that. Just give it a few seconds for the machine to get back to temperature, since we pull up some water from the boiler itself, and then we can proceed to do our shot. Perfect, 1.2, and here we go. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings for this machine, otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. And thankfully it's a little bit too fast, so probably I need to put a little bit more coffee inside the portafilter and tamper a little harder, just to get that perfect crema. But as you can see, we're getting a good shot of espresso coming out of the machine. All right, that's good enough. I believe I put a little bit. There you go. Good crema, good color, good workflow. Working perfectly fine. And there you have it. Isomac working once again, not overheating and pumping water like nothing. Like nothing. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day. And thanks for watching.